Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the vehicle to grid. So let us detailly discuss about the vehicle to grid in the upcoming slides. So the vehicle to grid, it is an advanced energy management system where it is used mostly in the abroad countries where the tariff for the electricity varies from time to time. So during the peak hour, the cost of electricity is different, and during the normal hour, the cost of electricity is different. So the concept behind this vehicle to grid technology is that we are going to charge the vehicle during the unpeak hours or during the normal night times or the thing, and we are sending back the electricity to the grid when it needs during its peak hours. So it is an advanced energy management technology where this EVs, it is not only the consumer of the electricity but also act as the power backup to the grid when it is necessary during the peak hours. So this diagram illustrates the usage of V2G. So V2G unit is separate unit it is the heart piece of this particular vehicle grid system where it connects both the electric vehicle and the grid system. So here the V2G unit, it serves as the bidirectional unit, bidirectional inverters where it can it can be for use for charging and for giving the current back to this particular unit to the grid. So the key concept behind this V2G is that EV batteries store electricity when charging during the unpeak hours or off-peak hours, where demand is low and also the cost of tariff also will be low. So this stored energy then can be fed back to the grid during the morning hours where the usage of current is more, or in emergency conditions, or when the thing where the renewable energy is not available, because during after 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock we will not receive that much of sunlight, so the production of electric and energy through solar is zero after 5 o'clock. Same way, in case of wind energy, we cannot predict the production of wind energy in every time. Because if the speed of the wind is high, then the production of electricity will be high. If it is low or zero, then we cannot predict the production. So it also one of the disadvantage. Through V2G, we can overcome that, and also it creates an two-way interaction between the EVs and the power grid. So unlike now in India, we have only one-way charging where we can directly charge the EV from the current from the grid, but it is the another way where it makes the EV and power grid to connect each other, and the charging is done in the bidirectional way. So the working is simple. So it's a bidirectional charger. The V2G unit is required. It allows both the charging and discharging of the EV battery. And the communication system has are also been adopted. So the EV communicate with the grid operators via smart meters and IoT based energy management system for predicting the charge levels and also the amount of energy present in both the systems. So this grid integration, it acts as a distributed energy source, supporting grid balancing, load leveling, and also the frequency regulations. So the application of this V2G, it includes the first and foremost thing is the stabilization of the grid. So during the peak hour, when there is a lack of power, this particular V2G, it serves an extra support to the grid and gives the energy to stabilize the demand. And renewable energy integration, it also improves the charging of energy, and also in renewable energy, if there is any problem, this V2G can also overcome for giving the additional power. And the emergency back power, it also used as an emergency back power in the hospitals or any emergency place where the electricity is needed most. And the fourth thing is the economic benefits. So vehicle owners can have and the incentives by selling the energy back to their respective grids. So advantages is it enhances the grid reliability and resilience, and it reduces the dependence on the conventional fossil fuel. It provides the cost saving for EV owners, and it promotes the clean energy adoption. So the challenges that has been faced is the first thing is the battery degradation due to the frequent charging, and we need a good and infrastructure for these bidirectional charges, and the regulatory and market barriers are there for making it possible in global. And also the consumer acceptance related to EV is not up to the mark in every part of the globe. So in future, this smart grid will be integrated. This thing will be integrated with the smart grids and the blockchain technology, and the wider adoption region can be seen with the renewable energy adoption, and also the development of vehicle to home and vehicle to building will be takes place with the help of this V2G, and support for microgrids and disaster resilience system can also be done. These are some future scope of this V2G. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.